Hello guys, welcome back again to another video. Today we're going to be comparing the Onyx Studio 9 and the Zealot S89. Now these are two massive speakers from two different brands, the Onyx Studio 9 from Hamakaron and the S89 from Zealot. So if you are curious to know which one plays better among these speakers, I hope this video enlightens you. And if you're looking to get one for yourself, I hope this video helps you make a better choice. For the sake of time, I'm not going to jump into details telling you about their features. So if you are curious to know about their features and their price, you should check out the unboxing video on this channel.
The Onyx Studio 9 have self-tuning. What that means, when you power on the Onyx Studio 9, it automatically calibrates to its environment, ensuring the best sound possible no matter where you set it down. And bear in mind people, this is going to be an outdoor sound comparison.
To make it easier for you, I'm going to be adding the links to those videos in the description. So check the description below for the links of the unboxing video. And for purchase link, check out the description as well. Today, we're just going to find out which one plays better among these two massive speakers from two different brands. So I recommend you use a headphone for a better sound experience, or you play from a good speaker so you get to know which one actually played better. And I appreciate if you drop a like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. And do it to drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts regarding the sound comparison we're about to do right now. Obviously, regarding size, the Hamakaron is more portable compared to the Zealot S89, but in most cases, size doesn't really matter. Size doesn't really tell everything. So we're just going to compare them anyway. So without wasting much time, let's jump right into the sound test. Zealot 50% volume. Volume. volume.
Okay, the Zealot speakers have actually improved in their sounds, because most of the Zealot speakers are compared with the Onyx studio speakers in the past. Most of those Zealot speakers didn't do well at 50% volume, but in this comparison with the new Zealot speaker, you can see that the Zealot speakers actually have good sounds at 50% volume, so that's a good one. But at max volume, I kind of prefer the sound coming from the Onyx Studio 9. It has good bass, it had more loudness, so I kind of prefer the Onyx Studio 9. But at mid volume, I'm going to say is a draw, but I prefer the Onyx Studio 9 at max volume. Both speakers did great, so it all depends on which one you prefer among both speakers. The Onyx Studio 9 is mainly made for indoor purposes. The battery life sucks. The Zealot S89 takes the win in that category when it comes to which one has a stronger battery. So one thing we've been able to achieve with this sound comparison is to hear the sound difference between these two speakers. So it all depends on which one you love. So let me know in the comment section which one you prefer. And thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace and love.